So no, Kyle sends these out. Typically, you say put them on Sunday. So most
Earnings.
earnings releases. So this past week,
Mm.
Nvidia, Square, Mondera, PowerPlug, Salesforce, DraftKings, Home Depot, Domino's Pizza, Overstock, and Jumia. So yeah. And also, if I go back to the chart, you'll see here. So this is the NASDAQ chart. So I know a lot of the stocks that I've been in are tech focused lately. And so if you go back to like February 16th, they hit a high here of 13.8 and some change. But so this is a daily. And so, so every day since the 16th, so 16th down, 17th down, 18th down, 19th down, 20th down, big. And I guess the 22nd. And 22nd may have been Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, may have been Monday, actually. So it took a big hit.
Monday, yeah.
So it took a big hit there. And then it took a big drop and tried to bounce back Tuesday and kind of tried to stabilize a bit Wednesday. And then Thursday was another big day down. So really, man, you're talking about of these 9 days, you're saying, truly like eight of those days are down. So if I even draw support and resistance here, you can see we're getting back down. Actually, we hit down back to the support area of 1268. 12,688, and it bounced. So, I hope that this particular area holds right here. And so I think next week is going to be pivotal. So if I actually go to the weekly, so you can even see it here. So you see, these points in this general area, right? Where we had stuff before. So, so it's definitely a bunch of memory at these areas, and we're here now again. So what we do this coming week, if we can stay above this fray, we'll be fine. But I believe if we get back down to this 12,682 and go below it, now the only thing is that we gotta. This is a moving average right here. I think what is this? It is green. So it's a 50-day weekly. Well, it's a 50 moving average, but I'm on a weekly chart. So, but usually what we look at is this 80-day right here, and we're right here at the this 12,733. So this is going to be a really important area, and if it doesn't hold, you can say plus or minus, I don't know, maybe 100 points off of there. But if this breaks down too far, you can start seeing we got a lot of clear air to the left of us, so that won't be good, gents. So just keep an eye out on the broader market, because the thing is typically what happens is as the broader market goes, so does your individual stocks. So
yeah, it's been bad. But on the brighter side, might give you an opportunity to buy some more shares.
Yeah, and if you got profit in something, you may want to take some profit. Take some profit you got in something. If you have any left, if they ain't taking it all back this week.
All right.
I got a couple on Mike that looks pretty good. I'm trying to hold it just a little bit longer.
What you got? Give me some.
American Airlines.
Okay. What was that? AAA?
AAL.
All right.
I got American Airlines. So I bought it at 9 something.
All right.
Bought it at 9 something. So it's definitely done doubled already.
Okay.
But my chart looked like it's gonna grow some more.
Yeah, you're about in the middle of that range between 22 and 18. And you're right here at 21. So, if you break down below 20, and actually got a moving average right there at the 1990 mark. If you break below that, you might want to look at trying to lock some of the profits in, because you don't want to give all that back,
only have 10 shares, but I know it doubled already. And I'm like,
Right, right. Well, what else you got?
I got check out Carnival Cruise Line. So CCL that done doubled on me. I bought that a little bit under 13. That done doubled. So I'm anything over 26, but the chart still like it was still going up. I'm like, I hold this a little bit longer.
They recovered a bit today, but they had dropped. Actually, they only up, if you compare and contrast this with that NASDAQ chart, where the last 6 days, 8 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is actually almost the opposite. So of the last 9 to 10 trading days where the NASDAQ is down, 7 of those days, this stock is up. Actually, 7 of those days. So this is actually the exact opposite. I heard some guys talking about that, there's been a big run in the stocks that are, going to be, profitable as the vaccine and stuff get out and kind of return to normal. So there's been a lot of pushing stocks of that nature.
That's why I figured them travel stocks was doing pretty good. The vaccine and all that. So I was going to sell them just when they doubled. That was like my target when they doubled. I kept looking at the charts and still like it was still going up. So I was like, just want to hold it just a little bit longer.
Yeah. And if you got in at that 12 area, it's definitely a good move. I was scared of them, but if y'all had enough conviction to hold them, looks like turned out to be some good trades.
But I've actually had it since when I got my crew to first start buying some stocks. So probably March. Yeah, probably like March, April.
What you got, Christian?
I'm just looking at this Mankind stock right now.
MKND?
Yeah, MNKD.
Oh, MNKD.
Yeah. Because I got in at this one at $3 a share.
Oh.
And it's at 5 right now.
You rocking over there.
Where'd you buy that?
It was at 308.
Yeah, how many shares you get?
I just only got one right now.
One share. Don't tell me you got that from Robinhood.
Mm-hmm.
Man, you better add $30 of that and get 10.
That was your free. That was your free stock you got from Robinhood.
That was the other free stock. I was just trying to see what it was gonna do. Because
I tell you what, while you sitting there watching it, it's running away from you.
Yeah, exactly.
You might want to shake a little bit at it, Christian.
Yeah, because the problem was with this one, I wasn't so confident because it kept going a little sideways. So I was like, well, this is a little weird.
Yeah, but even if I draw it up on the chart here, let's see what we got. It's kind of funky because let me just draw it based upon what was there. I wasn't really worried about this new stuff.
It's good now, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, it's rocking right now, boy. I mean, once it broke above that 333, shoot, like off to the race. Actually, right here at that 350, it was like, oh yeah, give me that, and it started rocking for real.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that one, Christian. It was a good one. Actually, that other one you told me about, I think it's doing well too. That
the other one that
BCPC.
Yeah.
It actually got hit as well with the market, but over the last 4 days, so I guess that was Monday, it got crushed, but it jumped up that 106 from Monday back to 119. That's decent. That's a decent little move right there.
I'm doing good too.
Yeah, both of these to keep an eye on that and that. You just told me it was at Mankind.
Where'd you find that stock at?
He asked you a question.
Christian, where you
what?
find that stock at?
The BCP one?
Yeah, where you find that?
That was just a random one I was looking up on Robinhood because it was the one where we were trying to find like a totally different industry that we're not really used to or accustomed to. That was like a couple weeks ago. So I just went on Robinhood, searched like agriculture industry, kind of sort of, and they're kind of in that space for like the ingredients and products and stuff.
Uh-huh.
It was like doing that, the chemicals and all that.
Did
So
you
it
research?
yeah, I was looking at the research about it, what they were about.
Yes.
You know, that's one of my favorite lines. Do your research.
Right there.
Yeah, that looks good.
But yeah, so let's just look at the
Did
Dow.
you buy it? Did you buy it?
Oh no, not yet.
How much is this stock? $100 some dollars?
This one,
106 or
119.
119 now. Yeah, it
106.
was 106 earlier.
Yeah,
It'd be like
Pretty good. That's a
Bravo
pretty good
Charlie, Papa Charlie. Yeah. Balcam. Yeah, probably Balcam Corp. That's the name of it.
yeah.
Mhm. So it's, yeah, that 106 was definitely the trade right there, boy. Okay.
Yeah, that'd have been a good entry right there.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, some stuff I was in this week got killed though. Let me show you.
You still holding on to it, right?
I've only sold one thing this week, but I'm over here hemorrhaging. So
It was funny. I was talking to a few people this week, and I guess especially women.
mhm,
And the women I got involved in this, a lot of them, of course, they get emotional about this stuff. That's one of the things we're trying to work on with everybody. Is the emotion. Everything good when you're going up, when it's coming down, folks start panicking and they want to sell and they want to, well, it ain't doing good, so I'm gonna get rid of it, and you don't have no kind of patience. Like I said, try to get the emotion out of it.
right.
Try your best. I had some of the ladies, I was telling them some of they stock and doubled already. Go ahead and sell it. Don't take that profit and sell it. And some of them be like, but I'm part owner. I got stock in it. Don't sell that thing. We're here to make money. We're here to make money. You hold this stuff forever. We're here to make some money. Sell that stuff. Don't get emotional over this stuff. It ain't nothing but stock. Go buy some more somewhere else. So that's something we got to, men and women, we got to be better at that. Getting emotional over this stuff. We just got to, once you get in, you got to get in. Some people get emotional. They scared to get in.
Right.
That's something, so that's why you keep putting money in your brokerage account. You ain't got to buy nothing right away, but let it build up. Something come up, you got the money. It's sitting there waiting for you to buy something. AQB, so that didn't drop down, huh?
Stuff is killing me, dog. So I'm just
I've
trying.
been out of Aqua Bounty. I don't think I'm in Aqua Bounty. I think it doubled for me and I got out.
Yeah,
I don't think I'm in it, but it did its trick for me.
yeah, that was a good move. Actually, I thought you was about to say Apple, because this crap fell out of bed at 130 once it broke this 130, and man, look, so this, but again, this coincides with that NASDAQ chart I was showing you before. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of 10 days, it was down. It was up two green bars out of the last 10 in the red, and it went as low as 118. So
Yeah, I sold that a couple. I think I sold it the first of the month.
oh, for real? Okay.
When I went on a selling spree the first of the month.
Mhm.
Everything kind of doubled and had some stuff that tripled. Check out um hold on. Check out Workhorse.
Oh, they got killed.
They got killed.
They didn't win. They didn't win that. They didn't win that contract.
They killed them.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I think I'm not sure how many. I might have about 10 shares. So now it's really about, okay, they're gonna try to find another contract, of course, one day. Now it's just a matter of, am I gonna buy some more of one of his supporters? Well, I'm definitely watching it to see if it hits support.
Yeah, I need to draw.
And buy 10 more, because they ain't got nowhere to go but up. Ain't got nowhere to go but up, right? I ain't even catch the news that
Oh yeah.
it lost the contract. By the time it did that, it was gone. It's like it dropped like a rock then, and
They not one to
so I ain't gonna panic. We ain't got enough time on my side, so
yeah.
I'm just looking to see for the bounce back up some 5-10 more.
Broke through that first level support at that 19 and dropped back down to the 16. Then the key here, man, is look at this volume. This volume is ridiculous right here.
Volume is high.
Oh yeah. Yep. Last 4 days. So I guess the word must have come out. I don't know if the word came out Tuesday, but it got killed, and then some further.
The word came out. But you know what? Kathy Wood bought some.
Did she?
She bought some Workhorse. I think that might have got some people that like,
Okay.
what does she know?
Right.
So I think that kind of helped the recovery a little bit, or at least getting people buy low, sell high, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
Who was the person that Dwayne was watching all the time, where he was getting some of these stock picks? Was it her? Was it somebody else? I thought it was some woman.
He followed some of Kathy Woods, and then it was this another lady named Laura Martin. She's an analyst for investment firm called Needham.
Was that the one he gave us AQB on? Or was it another woman that he followed?
I think AQB came from Kathy Woods. I think AQB was Kathy Woods. Whereas this stock here is a Lower Martin stock. This Magnite, MGNI, like Mary, George, Nancy, Ingrid. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
you follow anybody to kind of follow anybody too, Mike, or you just kind of do your own research?
So I followed old girl on this one, and I've watched a few of the presentations by the CEO on this Magnite, and I liked it. I liked it a lot. And so what Magnite is, they call it a advertising technology company. So like all these streaming services, they don't run the same advertising like they do on regular cable channels, right? So with these streaming services, they got to run a different thing. They call it like programmable advertising. And so Magnite is in that space, as well as you may have heard of a bigger company called The Trade Desk. You ever heard of that? TDD. And so they both operate in that space. So Magnite is on the sell side, and I think TDD is on the buy side of those ads. But all of these streaming services, they gotta have some means of offering ads, and so Magnite plays in that space. So and so like Fubo would use a Magnite potentially. So all these different and these streaming sites are popping up a dime a dozen now. I think there's like Discovery Plus, Paramount, and then all the regular stuff you got with Hulu, YouTube, who else? Like I think AT&T got a streaming service. So all these different streaming services that are out there, for TV. So.
Okay.
Yep. Any
I'm trying to think. Didn't Dwayne give us what's the name of the one? I'm still in what's the name of the just hold on, I'll tell you in a second. Begin with an F. I can't think of it right now.
Fubo.
Fubo.
Yeah, Fubo.
Fubo.
I'm saying, yeah, Fubo. Mm-hmm.
Didn't Dwayne give us that one?
Yeah, Fubo. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, I think I'm still in Fubo. I should have.
Yeah, Fubo had done well.
I like Fubo long term.
Fubo had done
like
well
Fubo.
for a minute.
I think I made money off of Fubo, sold it, and got right back in it.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah, Fubo been cool.
Good,
Just
but
been patient with it.
he has been getting killed though with the Nasdaq. So
Hey, been getting killed.
week from 40. Well, last week, a couple weeks. I guess it's a couple weeks ago. It was at 51. Now it's at 35. But this is, it's 30, 35. This 30 area has been decent, as well as this. I guess actually I can pull this down a bit or draw another one. This 26 area look like has had some resistance as well. So yeah. Anything new y'all been looking at? Considering?
I'm looking at one. I've been looking at one stock, but it wouldn't let me buy it for some reason. I got rejected about 3 or 4 times. I was like, I don't know why y'all ain't let me buy this. It's ET.
ET?
ET. Yep.
Energy transfer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I've not heard of that one.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure where I found it at, but I thought it was promising, and I was trying to buy it right under $8. It just would not let me buy it for some reason. Let me buy it. It kind of danced around the 8 mark.
Yeah, I see.
Kind of went up, kind of went down, and now it's probably a little bit under 8 right now.
Yeah, and even
It wouldn't let me buy it. I said, okay, there must be a sign. I liked it. I almost called TD Ameritrade and said, why y'all not letting me buy this?
Okay.
And every time I looked up, it went up. I'm like, oh shoot, y'all messing me up. I had a good entry under 8.
Okay.
It looks good right there. The chart looks good now.
Right. No, it does. I agree.
Yeah, y'all
Going the right way
messing me
for
up.
sure. It's going the right way for sure.
It's all good. I said,
Y'all looking? I got a couple of cheapies here.
I said it must be a sign.
This one here.
Not to buy it. So left alone.
Y'all can catch this thing at an entry.
How much is it? How much is this?
Protection.
0.02. I ain't quite. I guess it's what, 2 cents.
Penny stock, huh?
It's penny.
A real penny stock, huh?
Nah, I would definitely say not putting any big money in it, but if you just want to play around, see if you can make a few bucks.
You can get lucky.
Yeah. That's one. Another one. This was not a penny stock. This is a cheap stock, but I wouldn't call it penny. They actually got some real business. SRAX, as in Sierra Romeo Alpha X-Ray here. Yeah, this thing was $7, man. Cool. Last week. Now it's half.
It was $7.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Had a little setback, huh?
Pick up.
It don't take much.
So yes, they had a rough week.
Oh man, everybody had a rough week.
So you got anything, Kristen, you looking at?
The only thing that I've been just looking for a minute, it was this Penske Automotive Group stock, but its ticker is PAG.
Okay.
I was looking at that and a couple others because of my job. These are customers for us. So I was like, let me see if they're publicly traded, basically. See what they're looking like.
Like a good chart to me.
Don't look too bad from here.
Yeah, steadying up to the right.
Uh-huh.
This thing ain't done nothing but go up off the pandemic lows.
Penske. Okay. Yeah, we know about Penske.
Yeah.
Penske's in Cleveland.
Hardy.
Yeah, Penske was actually one of them jobs. I actually had a interview with Penske right before I decided to come to Cleveland.
Okay.
If I'd have got that job, it might have delayed my relocation. Because there's some Penske down here, of course. And yeah, so there's here.
Operates automotive and commercial truck dealerships in the United States and distributes commercial vehicles, diesel engines, gas engines, and power system and related parts.
Yeah, the owner, I don't know the owner, but the Penske name was involved with racing cars.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
They're
true.
famous for that too.
Mm-hmm. I guess it's just one of the things that them cats into.
Oh yeah.
If you Penske cars, it might be in here.
No telling what they but they definitely got a name out there.
Yeah. But, you know,
I never thought about these stop. I didn't even thought about that.
I didn't even know Penske was into. I just thought they did. I know they had Penske rental trucks and stuff like that, but
Right.
Team Penske. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's the race stuff.
Yeah, that's what they really famous for.
I wonder who they have. So Roger Penske, that's what I'm thinking of. Yeah.
Yeah.
Goldman Penske.
Yeah, he definitely
I thought they did some.
he definitely has the name.
I thought they did some Formula One at one point, but I guess they just NASDAQ now. Okay, no, they got some Indy cars. I thought they was right. I thought they did some Indy stuff.
A little bit of everything. You know, who was that?
Yeah.
You know, Michael Jordan got him a little
Oh,
got
yeah.
into the racing now. I think he got a part owner of
No,
a team.
he own. Yeah, he own. I think he own a couple cars. And one big driver drives for him too.
Got a black dude driving.
He got two guys. He got a black guy and a white guy. So he got a Bubba Watson and Denny Hamlin. But Denny Hamlin,
Got some big names.
Yeah, Denny Hamlin is big.
Well, I don't know how they.
Bubba making his way, but Denny.
I don't know how he makes his money being a team. I don't know. I don't know how they make money in that industry, but
Oh man, dude, if you ever looked at a NASDAQ race on TV, you see all them folk in the stand.
so they get some part of the money coming in. Everybody get a percentage or something, or
I mean, just ticket sales, merchandise, and TV.
Mhm.
a little bit of everything, huh?
Dude, man, NASDAQ, man, might be as big as football.
NASCAR.
Yeah. Oh, I said NASDAQ. I meant yeah.
NASCAR. well, it definitely has to be something. If Michael Jordan got involved, it definitely got to be
But he said
money to be made. I know it ain't cheap.
his dad used to take him and his family to races when they was coming up, man. So he said,
Yeah, that's what I heard. I seen the interview. I said, wow, well, North Carolina is famous for Tobacco Road and racing cars.
yeah,
Probably got some moonshine stories in there somewhere too, you would think.
there ain't no telling.
North Carolina.
That's a good one. There's another car one. Y'all hit the Car Gurus. They're
Never heard of it.
trade public
Guru. I think I heard of that.
auto trader type type
Oh,
jump. Yeah, they've been getting killed lately though, but yeah, they got a decent little business. So they down pretty good. 10 points on 35. We're down about 30%. Yeah, so stuff been getting crushed. But yeah, just
Do you have any ETFs in your portfolio, cuz?
I started buying a little bit of Kathy Woods. I think I'm buying a little bit of Kathy Woods stuff on the ETF. I think I'm either in this G or this K, which I think is the K, the Innovation Fund.
How much is that per share?
It's 130. Just started buying.
Yeah. Oh, that one, huh? Yeah, I thought about buying the one that's I think it's which one? The one that cost $65.
She got
$65 when I looked at the F.
The F, yeah. I'm showing
Look
that.
at the F.
Yeah, that's
The
the
F is down like $50. I think probably
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
She hot right now. Her name is out there. Well, I never heard of her until not too long ago.
Well, she won. I think she was like the top money ETF money manager this past year with like some incredible gains. And so when you do that and you beat everybody else, but your name get out there and then you start getting all the press. But she called Tesla, man. She called a 2000 Tesla when $2,000 price point on Tesla. I think when Tesla was probably less than $300 or $400.
Wow. Okay. She pretty good then. I know, like I said, she out there now.
Yeah.
I done put some stuff out there on her, so I done signed up for, of course, for ARK Investments. I get emails.
Yeah. Are you all still going through doing your charts and updating your charts? And are you making any buy and sell decisions based upon your charts? I'll give you up.
I do, of course.
You do what?
Yeah,
Okay.
I've been looking at them. I just had to update.
I look at charts every day. Kidding me?
Yeah.
Charts every day.
I'm actually, so this is a buy point for me right here on this SBA. But then this week has not been kind to a brother. But I'm back up to my entry though. But I got in right around this area on this SBA. So I'm looking for we can get back to some sense of normalcy. Hopefully I can get back to at least like this 174. If so, that'd be a decent trade. If I can make 15, 20 points on it.